Hi guys. Well, you know I don't normally do videos like this, but you know I've seen this video, it's gone viral, and I just wanted to say a few words and give you my what it's worth opinion on things. Russian YouTuber Vitaly, who harassed and disrespected Filipinos while filming at Bonifacio Global City in Taguig, was caught by police officers in front of a hotel along Seaside Boulevard, Pasay City on Wednesday based on a mission ordered by the Bureau of Immigration, according to the CIDG Director, Major General Nicholas Torre III. Hat off to immigration. I've made it very clear over and over again on a number of videos that if you come to the Philippines, you must not mistake the Filipino hospitality and how kind and generous these Filipinos are and happy, and mistake it for them being stupid, because they're not. What this guy did was horrendous. It wasn't funny. He looked angry all the time he did it, and it was obviously done, to get a bit of fame, I guess, which hat off to the Bureau of Immigration and the police he got, although I don't think it's the fame he wanted. Look at this guy. I mean, if you didn't know any better, guys, you'd think he was on some kind of drugs. I mean, he looks so angry. He's just unhinged. I mean, there's nothing funny about these videos. He's disrespecting guards. He's disrespecting this woman here. This woman, he's effing at her, saying he's going to effing rob her. No, I'm going to give you effing money. No, I'm not. You're wearing a mask, blah, blah, blah. I mean, he's just crazy. He's only 34 years old. He's a Russian American. He stole fans. He took an official's motorbike. I mean, who does this kind of thing? It's just unreal. Well, I'm not going to say, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, because it wasn't put online for that. It was just, if you come into the Philippines, I've told you many times, it should be common sense, but don't disrespect these people, because your time here is not a right, it's a privilege. And immigration can revoke your visa at any time. All it takes is a complaint, and immigration has the discretion not to renew your visa. So can you imagine if you were in the Philippines, you've met a woman, you've got married, you've sold up where you've come from, and you bought land, you built a house, whatever, and then you get kicked out of the Philippines. You can't get them to review that for at least 10 years. And by that time, if you're my age, I'm 64, April the 7th, it's not going to do you much good. So guys, I'm not trying to be patronizing. There's a lot of good bloggers here. There's got a lot of good people here. They wouldn't even dream of doing anywhere near what this guy's done. Now, I'm not going to mention what I think should happen. That's up to the immigration and the police. I've got no sympathy for him. If you act like that, you don't deserve to be here, and you'll not be here for very long if you do, as seen by this young man. I mean, he's only 34 years old. He's not anywhere near retiring like me and many others that's here. So I don't know what on earth he was thinking about. If you come to the Philippines, please be respectful, especially, and again, it should be common sense, to the police, to local officials. Don't get caught up in politics or anything like that, because you'll be in contravention of your visa conditions. You've got to be so careful. So careful. Just be good. Smile, be happy, treat people good, and you'll be fine. See you on the next one, guys. Please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.